Hello, I am David, a certified internet research specialist. I am here to share Google search tips and tricks in this Volume 3 of the training series. Google has announced a new date search command that replaces an old operator, a date range : sign. The new operators enable users to confine results within a range of desired periods by using words like before and after followed by a : sign. In Query A, observe how both ranges before and after will work within the same query string. In Query B, see how it limits search results after a certain date by simply applying the word after followed by a : sign and declare date of February 10th, 2019. The query example, C, has used the word before and a : sign, followed by the date, limiting the search to look for pages before March 15th, 2021. In Observation 3, we like to clarify that the user should not confuse date range operators with number range symbols, denoted by the 2 consecutive dots. Remember that a number range deals with numeric values, and it has nothing to do with date ranges or date perimeters. Note that the date ranges will accept a certain format of how the dates are written. Even though Google recommends formats such as before, : sign, and year, the month and the day, and with after, : year, month, and day, yet it also accepts other date formats as well. We query examples list notice that with the exception of the query A, which will not work because of a non-prescribed date format by Google search, the rest of the queries B, C, D, E, F, G, and H are correct and execute just fine. Please make a note of it. We hope these tips and methods you have learned are useful. With this, we conclude Volume 3 of the Web Search Tips and Tricks. We continue to add subsequent volumes as more become available. Thank you for watching. See you soon.